Everything is falling.
Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I put a poll on my Instagram saying if y'all wanted to see me do the 1 hour challenge, and that is the 1 hour get ready with me challenge. I don't even know why I decided to put that on there, because Lord knows I can't even get dressed in an hour. But we are going to see today, because I literally only have 1 hour to get dressed. It is currently 4:23. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is 4:23. And I have to be somewhere at 6 o'clock. So we might as well just get started in this video and not ramble along, because your girl has to get ready. Oh, go. Literally, we are starting from the bottom now. We here. And we're going to start with the brows. I don't even know why I decided to accept this challenge. Because your girl cannot get dressed in an hour. As many times as if I would try to get dressed, hell to the freaking no. It literally takes me like 2 hours for makeup only. That doesn't even include the outfit. Like, the most important part of the eye look is the brows. And if I mess up on that, we might as well just stop the whole look. Okay, we are going to do makeup, hair, and pick out an outfit. I mean, granted, I'm going to a Christmas party, so my options are very limited with outfits, so that just makes it a little bit easier. It's already been 2 minutes and I'm still on this freaking brow. Oh God. Whoever invented this challenge has to be, you know, a basic bitch, because ain't no way in hell a non-basic bitch can accomplish this in an hour. I feel like there's different, like, oh my God, I have a pimple. I don't even have time to pick this because I only have a freaking hour. We're gonna conceal because I ain't got time. I really don't. Literally don't have time, because y'all only gave me an hour. Clearly y'all want to see me fail in life. But you know what? Your girl not gonna fail. Your girl gonna flourish. It's almost 2019 and your girl is going to flourish. If I can find my shit. Honestly, I kid you not, this challenge is the real deal. All my makeup is spread out in any which direction. And I have no idea where everything is. So this is gonna be like the real deal challenge for real. Okay, brow. Kind of looking a little archy. But it's okay. Literally, if I lose this challenge, it will be because I took 10 minutes on my brows. And I just put the wrong concealer together. And I can't find where I put that freaking brushes in my hand. Okay. It's 4:33 and I'm just getting on to the next brow. Oh my God. My brows are 2 different effing shapes. Jesus Christ. That part was so freaking easy, y'all. So we're gonna use the Ring the Alarm palette, because your girl ain't got time to be searching for all these goddamn colors. I really don't. Whoever made this challenge, like, I feel like there's different levels of getting dressed. Like, if you require an hour to get dressed for your hair, makeup, and outfit, you are considered a basic B. I'm sorry, you are. Because ain't no way in hell I'm about to do a full glam look, do my hair, and pick out an outfit within an hour. That is crazy. I probably will get done with my makeup in an hour. And no shade, you know, no shade to the girls out there that take an hour to get dressed. No shade, but this challenge though, will I do it ever again? Hell no. Like, this is crazy. You see, it took me like 20 minutes to do my brows. I don't even know what look I'm doing. Now that I think about it, I'm just putting orange eyeshadow on my eyes. Literally, I don't know what I'm about to do. Let me see how this red goes on. Okay. wasn't the worst mistake. Sorry if my mouth is open, y'all. I'm just overwhelmed. Like I said, if you take an hour or less to get dressed, you're kind of considered basic. If you take two to three, or like 1 to 2 hours to get dressed, you know, you're getting up there. You're more so like mid-level, basic babbage. For 3 to 4 plus hours, you're doing something. Okay, you was doing something. Because this challenge right here, what time is it? It's 4:45. And your girl still has to do her hair and pick out her outfit. Like, and I'm still doing my damn eyeshadow. Y'all are probably like, girl, you are not going to make it. I don't have that much faith in me no more. Okay, we switching brushes. Where is it? Okay, it's on the floor. Do y'all ever pick up brushes, like anything off the floor with your feet? I'm like a legit like little monkey, because if I don't feel like bending down, I'm not. You know what I'm really happy for? That nobody is blowing up my phone right now. That would be a tragedy. And we're legit doing a full glam look. I cannot believe I'm doing this right now. Like, your girl just swallowed a huge pill. But this blendation though, that's not a word, but it can be one. Do not speak too soon, because I still got a whole nother eye to do. And if it don't turn out good, I'm not going. I freaking sound like the Grinch right now. You know that part where he's like,
oh. Ah. Mmm. That's it, I'm not going.
okay, so now we're about to do the hard part. We're about to carve out our lid. Yes, I'm doing it big for this video, because y'all not about to come for me. Especially like people I know about how long I take to get dressed. So I spoke too soon. Now everybody and their mama want to text me. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the face. Actually, I'm gonna put my eyelashes on, because your girl ain't got time. We is in a rush. I can't even find my mirror. Okay, here it is. I found it. We good. Literally, my sister and my grandma have been arguing for the last like 7 minutes. First about my new dog's blanket and how my grandma is using it, and my dog is laying up under her, and my grandma does not want her to lay up under her, and my sister is like, it's her blanket, so what you want her to do, y'all gotta share. Y'all already know my face routine. I didn't put any primer on. What am I doing? We are like Speedy Gonzalez, y'all. Like, I'm really trying to make this time. I'm really trying to go as fast as I can, y'all. Like, I'm going to make this hour time. I hope. I should have washed my brushes, because these things is dirty. And what's going on over here? I know I blended. If y'all are rooting me on behind the screen, y'all the realest, because your girl really trying to get done within an hour. It's a little harder than expected. What time is it? Oh. I hope this is like blended out well, because your girl is just putting color down. Okay, blush. I don't even look like I put blush on. What the fuck? Dust away this powder, girl. Forgot to contour my freaking nose. Forgot to do my lower lash line. We gonna make it. We is gonna make it, girl. We gonna make it. Where's the brush? Where's the freaking brush at? Everything is foggy. Right now we have to do the freaking highlighter. So one thing you can't rush is your damn highlight. Okay, y'all, we literally have freaking 7 minutes. It's 5:30. It's 5:30. Can you see that? Your girl made it. Your girl made the time, okay? So for the lip, I'm just doing a gloss. I didn't feel like doing that because I'm about to go eat. But you can't tell me I didn't make the time now. So I deserve an award. kudos to me. I do have to leave like right now. So basically what I have on is this romper. I'll take pictures in it and then I'll put it in this video. But my hair, I just took the braids out and pushed it to the side so I can have that, you know, little sex appeal going on, girl. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Join the B.O.M B Squad. We are the realest squad on the internet, okay? Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.